I am sorry I have been out. A lot has been going on and a lot is still going on, but let's get back on track with day 6. Your Azure environment is built, your VNets are designed, your subnets are clean, now the real world calls. Your on-premises office in Dallas needs to reach those Azure resources. Your remote employees need secure access from their home networks. Your branch offices in 3 different cities need connectivity. None of them are in Azure. All of them need a private, encrypted path to get there. That is what Azure VPN Gateway is built for, and it is one of the most fundamental hybrid networking tools. Azure VPN Gateway creates encrypted tunnels between Azure and locations outside of Azure. Those locations can be your corporate data center or branch offices. The encryption is handled by industry standard protocols. The gateway sits in your VNet, terminates the VPN connections, and routes traffic between your resources. There are 3 types of VPN connections you need to know. Site-to-site connects an entire on-premises network to Azure through a persistent tunnel. This is what you use for your data center. The connection is always on. Traffic flows automatically whenever it needs to. Point-to-site connects individual client devices to Azure. Remote workers use a VPN client installed on their laptop to establish a connection to the gateway. And Net2VNet connects to Azure VNets to each other through the VPN gateway infrastructure. Though for this, peering is usually preferred for better performance. Imagine your Azure VNet as a secure government facility. It has everything inside: servers, databases, applications, all the critical systems. Your on-premises office is your field headquarters. Without a VPN gateway, anyone reaching the facility has to use an unsecured public route. With a VPN gateway, you build a secure underground tunnel system. Your field headquarters gets a permanent tunnel that is always open. Nobody on the outside can see the tunnel. The facility stays secure and the people who need access can get it from anywhere. Now the technical details. VPN gateway requires its own dedicated subnet inside your VNet. That subnet must be named exactly Gateway Subnet, not VP Ungateway Subnet, not My Gateway Subnet. Exactly Gateway Subnet. The recommended minimum size is a /27. The gateway SKU determines 3 things: the maximum throughput, the number of simultaneous tunnels, and active-active configuration support. Basic SKU is entry level. VPN GW1 through VPN GW5 scale up. The AZ variants add availability zone redundancy, critical for production workloads. In active-passive mode, one instance handles traffic and the second is on standby. In active-active mode, both instances handle traffic simultaneously. BGP, the Border Gateway Protocol, can be enabled for dynamic route exchange. Gateways advertise routes to each other automatically. Encrypted, private, always on. Day 6 done. See you tomorrow.